Hey YouTube, and welcome to Junkworks. So I was here and I started doing this. I don't know if I'm going to do all the sheetrock in here, at least not probably the tape and texturing, but I might throw the sheetrock up myself. But regardless of that, if you don't want to do sheetrock and you just absolutely hate doing it, here's something you can do to save yourself a little bit of money just because it takes time to do for the sheetrock guy. So, and here's my disclaimer: I am no professional at anything I do, but this is just kind of how I've always known to do it. But regardless, I got in here a little piece of wood, just a scrap piece of whatever you can find that'll fit in the hole, and I'm going to show you kind of what I'm doing on another one. Alright, and I hope you can see this. I missed it the first time, but I need to bring this up a little bit further. And I've just got that piece of scrap wood behind here. Now on that other one, I could reach behind the wall and just kind of hold it there. On this one, I got this screw in here to kind of hopefully hold it well enough to sink it in there. I apologize for the light or the lack thereof. I'm doing electrical right now and I cannot get any light on the situation right now. Alright, and that's not perfect by any source of the means. I'm going to put another one, let's see here, up here. Alright. And that will give a nice backing block for the piece we're going to cut. I just took an old scrap piece that I had from tearing some stuff out, and I'm just going to go ahead and screw that into there. You don't want to reef these down. You just want to barely, you want to try not to break the paper. This is old stuff, so it's not great, but basically, this is just a backing for the mud. It's about all it is just kind of a filler. And that'll give me a place. I'm going to have to do some work there. But that'll give me a place where I can, or the other guy can mud along there and make it look nice. It'll be finished and done. Won't ever know it's there after it's done. Well, here's the other one all said and done. Just needs a little bit of mud over it. We'll be good to go. And thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to be a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.